When the customer installed the PCB that we had repaired and tested the unit, they said that the same problem was occurring again. So when they start the unit and the compressor rotary mark appears on the indoor display, they understand that the compressor has started, and they assume that cooling should start at this point. But after a short while, this rotary mark disappears. So this was the same problem they were already experiencing before, because the customer looks at this and checks what is happening on the display. But apart from this, there is another problem with the unit, which we will tell you about later in the video. But what the customer is saying is absolutely correct, because this is the same problem they were experiencing before. Now what we did was go outside first and check what the situation was there. When I went outside, I was honestly confused, because the wiring connections here looked wrong to me. As you can see, the brown wire is connected with the communication wire, the blue wire is connected to the neutral, and the green wire is connected to the line. After that, I checked the wire from different positions and asked the customer if there was any joint in the wiring. He told me that yes, there was a joint here. So, as you can see, brown is connected with brown. The black wire is connected with the green wire, while the blue wire is connected with blue. Then I had to go inside the indoor unit and check what the situation was there. As you can see here, number 1 has the black wire connected to it. And look at this, the green and blue wires are on top of each other. At this point, it is not clear which wire is going where. So, first of all, I corrected these wires here so that I could properly see the position of each wire and determine which wire was going where. Now, as you can see, after I corrected them, every wire is visible separately, which makes it clear which wire is connected to which connector. After this, I had supplied electricity to the unit, and here I am checking its main line and neutral. There is nothing on the line, and as you can see, the line is coming on the neutral. Look here, our tester is glowing. After this, I checked the communication line, and our tester is also blowing on the communication line, which should not happen. This is because the line and neutral are reversed here. So, I turned off the electricity here and removed its plug. Then I started checking this switchboard to see what the situation was here. The customer told me, since you are not understanding it, look, this is how it is connected. So, sometimes it can be difficult to understand. Anyway, look, I am checking it here. On the right side we have neutral, and as soon as I put it on the left side, the tester starts glowing. This means that the line and neutral are reversed, or their positions are swapped. Apart from this, they also have another electricity connection. So look, here I am checking the position of the line and neutral. At this point, the line is coming on the right side, while the neutral is coming on the left side. So they have 3 connections here. Now this board that I am checking has 1 meter, and they have also connected their solar system to this same setup. Whereas the upper connection that I am checking is receiving electricity from another meter. The line and neutral on the upper board are reversed. So, first of all, we will correct the line and neutral on the upper board. I have turned the electricity on again, and here we can check the position of the line and neutral. Now, as you can see when I check it, the first position is the line. Our tester is clearly glowing here, and the second one is neutral. Okay, this position is also correct. After that, look at the third one here. It is not glowing at all. This means that our line and neutral are now completely okay and in the proper position. Now I have started the unit to check what fault the outdoor unit is showing. As you can see, I have also connected a clamp meter to it so that we can check its amperes. But the unit has started giving an error. Look here, it is showing an error. So we will count its blinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is blinking 20 times. Now, if the outdoor unit is giving you 20 blinks through its LED, this means that there is a problem with the discharge pipe sensor installed on the compressor. Or the sensor is faulty, or there is some other issue with it. Now, when I completely open this unit, look here. This sensor installed here is the discharge pipe sensor, which is installed on the compressor. After that, when I look downward, look here, there is a pipe coil sensor installed here. This means that someone has installed the sensors the wrong way around, and in the wrong locations, whereas the sensor you are looking at should be with the condenser pipe sensor, and the sensor that is installed above should be here with the discharge pipe. Now, as you can see, I have connected the black wire here to the condenser pipe and the white wire to the discharge pipe. When we came and tested this unit for the first time, look, the unit went up to a maximum of around 5.4 amps or so. After that, we started observing it, and it continued running for a while. But as it kept running, you can see that the amperage started decreasing. It kept decreasing until eventually the amperage completely disappeared, meaning that the compressor completely shut down. As soon as it shut down, those 20 blinks started appearing on the PCB. Now finally, we are testing this unit again. As you can see, when I tested it, its compressor will start in a little while. And look, the compressor has started, and as soon as it started, it went to around 2 amps, and it is also cooling properly. Look, when I check it, the cooling is good. Right now, you can see it is standing at around 4.8 to 4 amps. Look, now it has started increasing the amperage, and it has gone up to 7 amps. So now this unit has become completely proper and is working okay.
Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.